Hi, I'm Malik the Magic Guy from expertvillage.com. So now I'm going to show you some other ideas about a banana fold body and how to pressure fit some 5-inch rounds. This is one I haven't shown you yet. Pretty cool 5-inch round balloon. You can do something neat with that. So we're going to show you how to do something fun. So you're going to blow one of these up. You're going to make yourself a banana fold. Then we're going to make it some arms and some legs. Now first I want to do the legs and the feet. So I'm going to make a small set of legs and feet by doing the same 2-bubble lock twist. That's our old friend now. We're going to do 2 pinch twists next to each other like this. So sort of that kind of idea. And another 2-bubble lock twist. We're going to break this off. Then you want to tie this. Okay. Now the banana fold will usually have one section that's softer than the others. In that case it's here. We want to twist that in half. We're going to put that right in here like this. So that's going to give you that kind of idea with legs on it. Now we're going to give it some arms, and the way we do that is we attach onto the end, just like this, onto the end of the banana fold by tying the knot on. We're going to give it a pinch twist for a shoulder, and then a fold twist for a hand. So we have this kind of idea. Then the same thing, we're going to break this off, which is okay, because when it pops like that, we don't need it anyway. So that's one arm. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Break that off like that. Tie this off. So now we have some arms and legs, and what we're going to do is pressure fit. That's what this is called, because it's going to just be held in there by its own pressure. We can slide that right in there, and that gives us a little guy like that. And that's another cool idea for the banana fold.